This video will show you how to use Google Maps and some of its options. You'll learn how to get directions, find services like gas stations or restaurants, explore an area with satellite view or street view, and use Google Maps offline. Let's start with getting directions. First, you need Google Maps on your phone. It's usually pre-installed on Android phones. If you have an iPhone, download it from the App Store. Open Google Maps by tapping on the icon. Then enter an address in the search box. There's a microphone. That tells us that we can either type an address or say it. When I start to type, the microphone goes away and an X and back arrow appear. Then select from the list of results and tap on Directions. It's that easy. I'll cancel that by tapping the X and try the microphone. Tap on it. You may need to allow it first. Then speak. 137 Main Street. Select the address and tap on Directions. Before we tap on Start, let's look at the icons and options. Let's start with the options above the map. There's a starting location and a destination. The starting location is the blue dot. It's also on the map. It's usually your current location. You can change it by typing or saying a different starting location in the text box. The destination, or where you are going, is the red pin. It's also on the map. There's a back arrow in case you want to go back and change your destination. And there's the two arrows icon. This lets you reverse your directions. There's also a menu icon with 3 dots. Tap it for options. You can add a stop, search along the route for stores or gas stations, share your location, or set trip options like avoiding tolls or highways. Next, you can choose directions for driving, transit, walking, or biking. For each one, Google Maps estimates the time it will take to get there. Let's review all the icons on the area above the map. Now let's look at 2 icons on the map, Layers and Search. The Layers icon lets you choose a map type. The traffic map is the default map, but you can also choose satellite. It shows real images viewed from above. You can zoom in or out to explore an area. Layers also lets you choose details to show on the map. The details are toggle buttons. You tap to enable them and tap to disable them. If you tap on transit, you'll see transit routes on the map. On the traffic map, the roads are color-coded. Green or blue is light traffic, orange is medium, and red is heavy traffic. If you tap on Street View, the areas with street views become blue. Tap on any blue area to enter Street View to see real images of the surroundings. The search icon lets you search for stores or services along your route. Let's try a gas station. I can type or say what I'm looking for, or I can select one of the suggestions. Google shows me a list of gas stations with prices. I can add one to my route. Now let's look below the map. It tells us how long it will take to get to our destination, a start button, and steps. Tap on Steps to read each step of the directions. For each step, a Street View icon tells us that we can enter Street View. Finally, tap Start to begin the directions. Google will say the steps as you near them. Do you know that you can use Google Maps driving directions offline? You don't need an internet connection, and you don't have to use data. I'll show you how. First, open Google Maps on your phone and tap on your profile picture up here. Select Offline Maps. Then tap Select Your Own Map. You'll see a map of your area. You can pinch to zoom in or out on the map. The rectangle marks the area of the map. Google will tell you how much space it will use on your phone. When you are happy with the map area, tap Download. It's best to do this while you have Wi-Fi. Now I've downloaded my offline map. Let's use it. Open Google Maps, then tap on your profile picture. Then select Offline Maps. Then choose the map you downloaded and tap on the map. Now enter your destination and hit Directions. Check that driving is chosen and tap Start.